Hello, estimators. Welcome back to my series of full house estimation of double unit site. Okay, today, as you see my thumbnail, my topic is brick hardware and what we use in the bricks for working for the bricks. If you can check in this sheet, I have prepared this sheet for you guys. If you want this, do let me know in the comment. In Australia, as per AS 3700 masonry structure, one part of cement and one part of hydrated lime and six part of sand is commonly used for any brick masonry work. Okay, you know that 20 kg bag is available for the cement. Lime hydrated is also a 20 kg bag over there in Australia as per AS 4599, and sand is normal metro sand. Okay, and these are the four common mortar mixes in the Australia: M2, M3, M4, depending upon what proportion or volume you need for the usage. Low strength, non-structural work, standard brick veneer, we use 116. Okay, and for higher strength areas, exposed areas, we use 1.5 and 4.5. Uh, so you know that the why hydrated lime is used, check it to improve the workability, that used separately. Okay, improves the water retention and reduce the cracking and increase the durability of the products and all of that. Okay, and in the last video I have told about the brick supply, but we haven't told about the rake joints and all in that. So today we will explain something about these also. So there are common types of some joints which have been used, like if you use rake joints, okay, slope joints, okay, concave joints, struck joints. These are the joints between the bricks, which are used by bricklayers, and weathered joints and ironed joint. Okay, smooth rounded finish, premium appearance. So it depends what client wants, which type of joint in their brickwork. These are the relevant codes for masonry work, like AS37 for masonry structure, 3700, and AS, this one is masonry for small building, built-in component for masonry, hydrated lime and aggregates and block. Okay, for most you know that one cement, and this is the normal we use. Okay, including this, we use the material for the articulation joint for brick hardware. As you guys know that in some bushfire zone area, Veepa vents are compulsory. This is a bushfire zone's compulsory element you have to give in your any brickwork you will do at the site which comes under bushfire. So these Veepa vents are generally provided and in the walls, okay, and it is used for like help to prevent dampness and mold and use approved corrosion resistance material. Okay, and we use the vertical articulation joints also. Okay, this for material for this is also taken in brick hardware. When we calculate the brick hardware, we take the horizontal articulation joint or vertical articulation joint, but in normal you will see that horizontal articulation joint is not there in double story houses in uh, Australia, but we have vertical articulation joints are over there. Okay, and the reason for giving these joints is to like these articulation joints for causing shrinkage due to temperature settlement. As you guys know that why articulation joints are provided only on brick veneer. Okay, and these are the reference codes and general notes. Including this, we use brick ties also. Okay, brick ties are used we use them to connect your brickwork with your structure, timber structure, which is present in the wall like this. If you can see, this is your wall wrap and all on that. Okay, there is a brick over here. Okay, the tie is jointed with your timber frame. Okay, so the whole structure completes with the this if you use brick ties. So this will be also calculated in brick hardware. So if you can check on the drawing, there is a written that this is an AJ. AJ means, if you can check in your drawing, sometime the specification of AJ is mentioned in your engineering also, regarding articulation joint compiled with CN61 of cement and concrete association, tubular polythene form backing installed in open joint left by bricklayer. So articulation joints are always as per your specifications given by engineers in your drawings. Like this is also a articulation joint. Okay, and uh, if you can check now, the main thing is that how much cement and how much lime you will reuse, as you can see, and how much articulation joints and how much brick ties you use, okay, in the site. For 1000 bricks, if we are using that the site needs 1000 bricks to be installed at site, okay, then every 1000 bags need at least 8 bags of cement. Okay, 8 bags of cement as per AS standard to improve this. Okay, suppose now you are using hydrated lime. Hydrated lime is always used as the uh, per 7 bags of cement, we use one hydrated lime bag for this. Okay, in this whole working, that is enough. If suppose just in sense you have like bricks, or you use near about to 10,000 bricks. Okay, so for 10,000 bricks you will use this divided by 1000. Okay, so here this is 10, and for this you will use into 8 per thousand, so it is near about 80 bags. Okay, and for 80 bags, okay, you will use 12 bags of hydrated lime. Okay, so this will be the quantity of your cement, which is maybe natural cement or any other cement which is present, 20 kg bag, and this is the quantity for lime, hydrated lime, which we will be use. And another thing, for articulation joints, okay, you always have to measure the drawing. Okay, in engineering, the articulation joints are present over there. So you have to measure the linear meter of them, and the material mentioned for the articulation joint should be come in this. Plus, if you use brick ties, so brick ties are approximately, we will take 4 to 5 brick ties, okay, per meter square of the wall of the area. If your wall area is 1 meter square, then we use 4.4, or you can say 5 ties, brick ties per meter square. So you can calculate the quantity of the brick ties, bricks to be installed at site, brick layer, uh, okay, brick material, sorry, brick supply, and then you can just like for this, if you use 10,000 bricks, okay, the pallet size is 520 per bricks. Okay, so your how much your pallet will become, your pallet, like suppose in 1 square meter, you know that there are 49 bricks. Okay, 49 bricks used that per square meter. Okay, and for per square meter you need uh, 5 brick tiles also. Okay, so how many square meter is, like if you have like 300 square meters, suppose 300 square meters of the area the brickwork is needed. So for that, uh, you will use uh, 49 into 49 per square meter, and for 300 square meter that will come to 14,700 bricks. Okay, and for that you will have to use like 300 square meter into 5 also. These are like 1500 brick tiles should be used for this to complete your brickwork, brick hardware at your site. Like for cement calculation, I have told you earlier, and for that you have to take this much of the quantity. So if you have any doubt or have any question about this, do let me comment in my video. And if you want to contact me, you also comment me. You can contact if I'm something wrong in this, or else you want these sheets. Do comment me. I will mail you this data. As you guys know, I am doing this series, and we need to do the frame and all. So I need some engineering drawings. If you guys are interested, kindly give me the drawings and I will provide you free of cost, but I use your drawing as per your consent. We will talk about this on the mails also for this, and kindly share, like and subscribe my channel for all the videos, for my upcoming videos for the construction estimation of the Australian homes. Thank you. Thanks a lot. See you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye bye.